So we have question coming from the line segment, ray, point, and angles. So without wasting time, let's start our quiz. Okay. Okay. Let's start. A dot that show an exact location in geometry is called
Point.
a dot that show exact location in geometry is called what?
Point.
Point. Very good. Which geometric figure has no length, no width, or height?
Point.
Very good. Point does not have length, does not have width, does not have height. A figure made of infinite many point extending forever in both the direction. यहाँ भी जा रहा है, यहाँ भी जा रहा है.
Right, left, wherever, boom,
Yes,
bam.
both the direction. What is the answer?
Line.
Line. Line goes in both the direction. Ray go in one direction. Line segment don't go anywhere. Okay, bro. What is the answer? In. Okay. A line has. Tell me. One end point,
No
two
end
end point,
points.
no end point, three end point, no end point. Yes, because line goes left, right, center. Okay. A part of line which has two end point is called
Right segment.
line segment. Yes, a part of this is called what? Line segment. Okay. How many end point does a line segment have? How many end point lines? Two. Yes, line segment will have two end point. Very good. A figure that start at one point and extend forever in one direction is called
1 point and
Yeah.
forever uh, in one direction is called array.
Yeah, very good. Don't get confused, huh? How many does in point does array have?
One.
Only one. Okay, very good. Which figure extend forever in one direction only? Of course, ray, man. We just learned, right? Ray. Which figure extend forever in one direction?
Right.
Answer is ray. Okay. Okay. Which figure extend forever in both the direction? Both direction is line. Okay. The distance around a circle is called the distance around.
Circumference.
Don't get confused. Okay. This is important, guys. Let me quickly draw it and explain to you. Okay. The way it works is very simple. You need to understand what is circle, what is chord, what is diameter. Don't make mistakes in the examination. You need to be very, very careful. Okay. Otherwise, you will make mistakes. I'll quickly draw and explain to you. Okay. Let's say this is a circle. This is what a circle look like. Okay. Then this is the center of the circle. From center, if you draw a line towards circle, is called radius. And from the circle, if you extend in both direction, then it become what? Diameter. If that line segment which does not pass through this is called what?
Chord.
Chord. And if I
Diameter is the longest chord.
diameter is the longest chord. Very true.
Because
If I start from here and I go and come back here, it's called what? Circumference. Understood, right? Very good. The answer for this question is what? The distance around circle is called circumference. Very good. Okay. A circle is made up of a straight line?
No.
A circle is made up of curved line?
Yes.
Circle is made up of curved line. It's not made up of angles. Okay. The center of circle is called what?
A point.
A point. The circle of center is a point. Very true. What is the next question? A line segment from the center of the circle to edge is called
Radius.
radius. Yes, it's called radius. You understood, right? From here to here is called what? Radius. If this is the center of the circle, then it will be radius. See, teacher might give you like multiple diagram and then they will ask you list down all the radii. You have to write down all the radii. Okay.
Radian is the.
Yeah. For example, she can write. Let's say this is O, and then say this. She will say this is A, and this is B, and this is C. Then how many radii we have? Three radii: OA, OB, and OC. You're supposed to write all the three radii. Okay. Radii is the plural of radius. The diameter of a circle is half the radius, double the radius, equal to radius, three times of radius. Two times of the radius. The diameter of a circle is twice the radius. Okay. Sounds good? Okay, no problem. The straight path passing through center of circle is called what? The straight path passing through center of
Diameter.
circle. Yeah, see? I'll explain to you one more time. See, this is circle. The straight path which passes to center of circle is called what? Diameter. Diameter is the double of the radius. Okay. Next question. An angle measures what? Length, distance, turn between two rays and area. What is the angle measures?
Mm, turn between two.
Yes, Maulik, don't be confused. Whenever you draw, this is a common endpoint. You draw one ray from here and one ray from here. What is the angle between the two rays? Is called what? Angle. That is the turn between the two rays. Remember, right? It is formed by two circle, two point, two line segment only, two ray with the common endpoint.
Two rays with common.
Yeah, do remember, huh? This is the ray which have a common vertices. The common endpoint of an angle is called what?
Vertex.
Vertex. Don't get confused. This is the vertex of the this angle. Okay. An angle measuring exactly 90 degrees is called 90 degree
Right.
right angle. We have learned about the types of angles. I will repeat myself. If it is less than 90, acute angle. If it is perpendicular to each other, right angle. More than 90, less than 180, obtuse. Fully 180 with half circle here, it's called straight. More than 180 and less than 360, it's called reflex. How to draw? Like this draw. And then straight angle ये हो गया, like then there will be complete angle or reduction angle. So what you have to do, you have to draw the complete circle.
Actually, you don't have to put the one on the side. Yeah, and only till the middle of the circle. Line is there.
Yes, the complete circle.
Can I just draw it?
No, it's okay. Half 180, full 360. Okay, this is called straight angle and this is called complete angle. You know. Okay, 90 degrees is called what? Angle measuring exactly right angle. Very good. Next question.
Angle less than 90 is acute.
Less than 90 is called what? Acute angle. Angle greater than 90 but less than 180.
Angle greater than 90 but less than 180
Tell me.
is obtuse.
Yes. Less than 90, but this one is called what?
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle. Yes, very good. So what is the answer here? Obtuse angle. An angle measuring exactly 180 degrees is called what?
Straight.
Straight angle. Yes, very good. An angle greater than 180 but less than 360 is called?
Reflex.
Reflex angle. Yes, very good. An angle measuring exact 360 degrees is called full angle. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle.
Full.
Full angle. Yes. Very good. Which angle is smaller than right angle? Which angle is smaller? Acute. Yes. Acute angle is smaller than right angle. Angle greater than right angle but smaller than straight angle is called obtuse angle. We know that, right? Okay, very good. A clock making 3 o'clock forms which types of angle between the hands? Tell me.
Right.
Yes, this is called right angle. Teacher can give you any time, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, accordingly you have to answer. Okay. The straight line forms what type of angle? The straight line forms what type of angle? A straight line is what? It's called a straight angle. It's called what? A straight angle. Okay, we have someone with online, no problem. Which angle is exactly half of a straight angle? Very tricky question, huh? Exactly half of a straight angle.
Right.
Yeah, it's a right angle. See, teacher can say 1/4 of full angle. That also answer is right angle triangle. Which geometric figure has a fixed center and all point are the same distance from it? What is which geometric figure? Okay. Do you know how circle is formed? I'll explain to you. In circle, what happens? No, there is a fixed point. Okay. Let's say this is the fixed point. From this fixed point, what they say, take some equal distance, and then what you have to do, all the point which have this equal distance from this point, all the point which have, okay, why you are not drawing? Come on, draw. Okay, all the point which have this equal distance from this circle, if you connect all of them, then you will get what? Circle. You understand?
Oh.
Yes or no? Oh wow, very good. Understood or not? Okay. Very good. Now, its answer is circle. Okay. Next question. A radius connect what? 2 point on the circle, center
Center
to
to
the
circle.
circle,
Center to
two
circle.
centers, two rays. A radius connects center to circle. Okay. Which is the longest chord in circle? Which is the longest chord in circle? What is the answer?
Diameter.
Diameter. Do you know what is chord in circle? See, if you connect any 2 point on the circle, this is called chord. This is one chord. This is one chord. This is one chord, right? But if this chord, the special chord which passes through the center of the circle, the special chord which passes through center of circle is called what? Diameter.
Yeah.
What is the diameter? A diameter is a special chord which is passes through the center of the circle, and it is also the longest chord. Okay. Which figure exactly have one endpoint? I will repeat. Only ray have the one endpoint. Okay. No problem. Two endpoint, very easy. Line segment. Which figure has exactly two endpoint? Two endpoint.
Line segment.
That is line segment. Okay. Which figure have no endpoint? Line does not have any endpoint. What will say? Line do not have any endpoint. Okay. Again and again, I'm repeating the same question so that it goes in your brain and fixed. A point is usually represented by a small dot. Very good. The single, this represent what?
Angle.
Angle. Very good. The two rays sharing a common endpoint form a
Sharing the combination points of uh,
circle, line segment, diameter, angle,
angle.
angle. Yes. Which figure is not made using straight lines?
Which figure is not made using straight lines? Circle.
Circle, yeah. Because circle is made up of what? Curved line.
Hmm.
I have created a video for why circle is not a polygon. Why? Because a polygon need minimum three and more straight line, and in circle there is only curved line.
What?
That's why it's circle is not a polygon. Okay, don't make mistake, huh? We want to score good marks. Okay, bro. Okay, now read this question. Point A, B, C lie on a same straight line. What is this arrangement is called?
Uh, we haven't learned this.
No problem, but just
Parallel?
try to guess. Parallel, no. Intersecting, no. Collinear, circular. The answer is collinear. See what they are trying to tell here. I will tell you. Let's say if I draw a line like this. Okay, this is called collinear lines. Okay, so one point is here, one point is here, one point is here. Okay, and one point is here. And if this line is a straight line, then this is called what? Same straight line, then they are called what? Collinear points. What they are called? Collinear points. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, they are called what? Collinear points. Which statement is always true about diameter? Tell me. It is shorter than radius? No. Diameter cannot be shorter than radius. It passes through center? Yes. Diameter must pass from radius, center of the circle. If the diameter is not passing to center of the circle, then it's not a diameter. It touches circle at one point only. No, it cannot happen. It should touch the circle at a 2 point. It forms an acute angle. No. What is the correct answer? It passes through the center. And what kind of angle it will make? It will make a straight angle. Okay. क्या बोलता है क्वेश्चन अरे ए बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए एंड पासेस थ्रू बी विच पॉइंट इज द एंड पॉइंट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन मौलिक
B.
गलत जवाब
A.
ए इज द एंड पॉइंट ना जहां पे वो फिक्स होता है उसको एंड पॉइंट बोलते हैं ना तो डोंट मेक मिस्टेक हियर आई विल रिपीट द क्वेश्चन हियर व्हाट दे आर सेइंग सी मौलिक फोकस there is a AB. A is the fixed point, and let's say this is the A, which is the fixed point, and then this is the arrow. That means it's going infinite in the direction of B. So this is what? Which is the fixed point here?
B.
Huh?
A.
A is the fixed point, Maulik. Maulik, why you're not focusing? You're making mistake, Maulik. So what is the answer? A is the what is the end point? Which is point is the end point? A. Okay. Now all the questions are coming tough questions, huh? How many different ray can be drawn from single point? How many different ray can be drawn from a single point? How many
Infinite.
ray can be drawn from a single point?
Infinite.
What do you think? 1, 2, 10, infinite?
Infinite.
Yes, Maulik. The answer is infinite. I will show you why. See, this is the fixed point, right? You can draw like this, draw like this, draw like this, draw like this. As many as you want, you can draw, right? That means the answer is infinite. Okay, next question. Before I write this, I will delete this. Which figure can be completely determined by specifying its two endpoint? Which figure can be completely determined by specifying its two endpoint? Tell me. Two endpoint. Which
Line segment.
the answer is line segment. Very good. A radius of 8 centimeter is drawn in circle. What is the diameter? If radius is 8 centimeter, what will be diameter for that? 16 centimeter. Very good. Next question. If an angle is measured is 135, what type of angle it is?
Reflex.
Yeah, very good, Maulik. See? Oh,
Obtuse. Yeah. Got it.
why?
Yeah.
Oh, my mistake. It's less than 180.
Yeah.
Oh, my mistake, my mistake. You said that. Okay. Which angle is complementary to 35?
What's that?
Answer is 65. No, 65. No, 55. Complementary angle I have taught you. What is complementary angle? Let's say this is angle is 90 degree, right? Let's say this is 90 degree angle, right?
Yeah.
So this is 90 degree, right? And if this angle is let's say 30 degree, then this other angle is called what? Complementary angle.
Oh.
तो यहाँ पे मान लो ये बोलता है 50 है, ये कितना है 50 है, तो complementary angle कितना होगा? 40 होगा. Do you understand? If the complementary angle is like I will draw like this, I will draw like this, and it's like this. Then if I say this is 10, then how much complementary angle? 80. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Which angle is supplementary to 125? सप्लीमेंट्री के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? 180 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो 180 माइनस 125 कितना होगा? 55. ओके. सप्लीमेंट्री के लिए 180 में से करना है माइनस, कम्प्लीमेंट्री के लिए 90 में से करना है. Two right angle together form what? Acute angle, straight angle, reflex angle, full angle. Two right angle जोड़ोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? Okay, I will write for you. Let's say this is one right angle and then this is another right angle. Okay. If you will join them, then what you will get? You will get a straight line, right? The answer is what? Straight angle. The answer is straight angle. A circle has a diameter of 20 meter. Diameter कितना दिया है? 20 दिया है. तो रेडियस निकालने का बोल रहा है. रेडियस हाँ, रेडियस का मिल जाएगा 10. Very good. Which figure has exactly one dimension? Length only.
Line.
Hmm?
Line.
Hmm. Hmm. Correct. The vertices of an angle
Vertex.
where vertex of an angle is where the two ray meet, the ray end, the line blends, or the circle start. What is the correct answer?
The rays meet.
Yeah, the correct answer is the rays meet. Which of the following angle is reflex? Focus, it's reflex more than 180, less than 360.
270.
Last time we made a mistake. Okay. Which is the measure of straight angle plus a right angle? Straight angle plus a right angle. Straight angle how much?
270.
Very good. ऐसे टीचर घुमा के पूछेगी. A point lies exactly halfway between the end point of line segment. This point is called what? Vertex, center, midpoint, radius. Midpoint ना क्या बोलता है? एक halfway में है ना, एक line segment है, ठीक है? Just focus, Maulik. See, this is line segment. If line segment is 10 centimeter, इसका halfway है, तो that is what? Midpoint होगा ना? The answer is what? Midpoint. The answer is what? Midpoint. If a circle radius is double, what happens to its diameter? Let's do it. एक सर्कल का रेडियस पहले 2 था.
Same.
तो नहीं भाई, रेडियस 2 था तो डायमीटर कितना हो गया? 4 हो गया. अब क्या बोलता है? रेडियस को उसने डबल कर दिया, मतलब रेडियस को उसने कितना कर दिया? 2 का 4 कर दिया, तो उसका डायमीटर कितना होगा? 8. तो उसका डायमीटर क्या होगा? डबल हो जाएगा, राइट? तो आंसर इज व्हाट? डबल्स. ओके. Which figure cannot be measured in centimeter? Which figure cannot be measured in centimeter? Radius, point, diameter, line segment. Focus cannot be measured in centimeter. Line segment, I can measure. Line segment, I can measure. Radius, I can measure. Diameter, I can measure. Point, I told you a point cannot be measured because it does not have length. Focus, Maulik. It does not have length, does not have height, does not have width. This question already came, but you are making mistake. Okay. An angle measuring 179. What kind of angle it is? Straight, obtuse, or acute?
It's obtuse.
Obtuse. Very good, Maulik. Then a ray and line segment both have one thing in common. What is it is? Ray और line segment में क्या common होता है?
They are both are funny.
No, Maulik.
They both are a part of a line.
Let's see all the options. Both have two endpoint. No, that is not true. Both are finite. No, that is also true. Both extend forever. No, then that means this is the only answer. And both are part of line, and it's true. Line segment and ray both are part of a line. What is the correct answer? This is the correct answer. So with this, I think we are done. That's all right from maths exam, guys. I wish you all the best. Do well. Thank you.
Bye.
And take care. That's
Bye.
it. Bye bye.